bridges that link the U.S. to Mexico.
And the Rio Grande around here could get a little more rapid if we get some of that rainfall we're expecting.
That's right. And why might we get it? Exactly what you just talked about. That disturbance is actually going to go west, and we'll talk about that coming up. Kind of interesting stuff. Here's a look at the Taos-Ski Valley and Kachina Peak. Things pretty quiet earlier this afternoon, but into this evening, we've had some storms roll in and a few showers up across the Sangre de Cristos this afternoon and evening, and we could still see some tonight. We've had a lot of cloud cover out there, and that has not allowed for us to touch off as many storms as you would expect on a day like this, because we have a lot of moisture in the atmosphere. That's not the problem for us, but what we're not getting is that trigger, that push up in the atmosphere. Sunshine can sometimes do it and heat us up. A little weather disturbance can do it. Sometimes the mountains do it, as you just saw over Kachina Peak. But we do still have this flood watch across the northeast throughout the night tonight. As far as what's going on in the metro, right now we're at 85 degrees, southeast winds 12 miles an hour for us. Temperatures right now, 60s around places like Taos, where we've had some showers in the area, 70s and 80s to the north, down to the south, anywhere from the 70s in Ruidoso all the way up to the 90s in Deming. I show you the dew points to show you that we have a lot of moisture across the state. When you see dew points in the high 40s, 50s, and 60s across New Mexico, that's plenty of moisture for us to support storms. But thanks to all that moisture, we've got a lot of cloud cover in areas, especially along the west and across the east, the valley. We're seeing a bit more sunshine, but still, it's inhibiting thunderstorm formation here. We're not getting that lift that we need. So for today, a little bit of a down day storm-wise. Don't be surprised, though, if we touch off a few more storms for tonight. Tomorrow, another storm or two a possibility before things get interesting over the weekend. So what we're seeing at this point is moisture continuing to flow into the state. And so that monsoon flow, once you add the heat of the day, we do get storms out there. Not a huge crop today, but we have had some soakers, especially around areas like Raton and down across parts of the southeast as well, where they've totaled nearly an inch of rain in spots of southeastern New Mexico at times today and into last night. But the overall weather pattern is going to change a little bit, especially interestingly over the weekend. You heard us talking about that tropical disturbance going into Texas. Well, we're going to have the possibility with the moisture we already have in place from the Gulf. We're going to add the possibility of that disturbance coming in here for Saturday and Sunday. If that happens, along with the moisture we have in place, there's the real possibility of a lot of rainfall out there in spots across central and western sections. But we've got to wait and see if this storm takes the correct track, because if it does, through western New Mexico, central and western sections will be very active for us throughout the weekend here, and we are going to have to keep a close eye on that. And yeah, isolated flooding could be a possibility as well. So we'll keep you posted on that until we get their scattered storms for us, 80s and 90s across the northwest, and we go isolated storms there, meaning fewer storms across the northwest, but still the chance of a shower or two. And again, we'll watch that disturbance for northwestern portions of the state and southwestern Colorado into the weekend. 80s and 90s across the south and west, with afternoon thunderstorms possible again for tomorrow. Another round of storms possible across the southeast, with mostly cloudy skies for tomorrow. And again, that could hurt thunderstorm formation out there. And then Saturday and Sunday, chance at storms as we watch that weather disturbance. North and east scattered storms for tomorrow. Temperatures in the 70s and 80s here. Northern mountains, another round of storms will be a possibility here as well. 85 Espanola, 77 Chama, and 82 in Cuba. Your Santa Fe extended forecast scattered storms become more numerous over the weekend. Meanwhile, East Mountains for tomorrow, spot storm or two. Not a great day for storms tomorrow, but still grabbing a storm is a real possibility for us there, especially over mountain sections. And then here in Albuquerque, our chances aren't quite as good, but still, with this much moisture in the air, grabbing a quick thunderstorm, definitely not out of the realm of possibility. Then we watch Saturday and Sunday. If that disturbance coming in from the Gulf comes into New Mexico, it could be a wet weekend.
All right. Thank you, Mark. Sports is next.
Year-round family fun in a new Cal Spa. Hurry, sale ends soon.